Think of the most comforting, aromatic dishes you know. A pot of chili simmering on the stove, the scent of freshly baked bread from a North African tagine, the complex warmth of a good curry. There's one tiny, unassuming seed that ties these global flavors together: cumin. For over 4,000 years, cumin has been more than a culinary staple. It was currency in ancient Egypt, a symbol of love and fidelity in Rome, and a powerhouse in the herbal medicine chests of Ayurveda and traditional healing. And now, modern science is catching up to what ancient cultures always knew. Cumin isn't just flavor, it's a tiny packet of wellness, and it's having a major moment. So, what exactly is cumin? Botanically known as Cuminum siminum, it's a member of the parsley family. It's an annual herb with delicate white or pink flowers, but we treasure the small, boat-shaped seeds it produces. You'll typically encounter two main varieties: the more common brown cumin, which is what you likely have in your spice drawer, and black cumin, which is important to note, is often a different species altogether, Nigella sativa, with its own unique properties. Today we're focusing on the classic brown cumin, a cornerstone of cuisines from Mexico to the Middle East to India. What makes this little seed so special? Its magic lies in a symphony of natural compounds. Cumin is famously rich in essential oils, like cuminaldehyde, which gives it that distinctive warm and slightly citrusy aroma. It's a treasure trove of antioxidants, primarily flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which are like your body's internal cleanup crew. It's also a surprisingly good source of iron and contains a variety of other beneficial plant compounds, like terpenes and phytonutrients, as well as vitamins, particularly vitamins A, C, and E, and minerals such as magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. Think of each seed as a miniature natural wellness capsule. Let's talk about what these compounds can do. First and foremost, that high antioxidant activity means cumin helps combat oxidative stress in the body. But the benefits go further. Cumin is a classic carminative. It helps relieve gas and bloating. It may also stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently. Several studies suggest cumin can play a supportive role in healthy blood sugar management by improving insulin sensitivity. As a non-heme source of iron, incorporating cumin into iron-rich meals, like with lentils or leafy greens, can help enhance your body's absorption of this crucial mineral. The essential oils in cumin have also shown promising anti-inflammatory and bacteria-fighting properties in lab studies. Remember, cumin is a food and a spice, not a miracle drug. Its power is in consistent dietary inclusion. This is where the joy begins. To unlock cumin's full potential, always toast whole seeds in a dry pan until fragrant. Then, you can use them whole or grind them. Your culinary canvas is vast. Temper whole seeds in oil to start a curry, dal, or soup. Ground cumin is essential in spice blends like chili powder and garam masala. Elevate roasted vegetables with a shower of ground cumin. Add a pinch to hummus or yogurt dips, or even your morning avocado toast. Don't forget beverages. A tiny pinch in a smoothie can add a surprising depth. For the vast majority, culinary use of cumin is incredibly safe. However, with concentrated forms like essential oils or high-dose supplements, caution is key. Over 3 grams daily may cause stomach upset or heartburn in sensitive individuals. Stick to culinary amounts during pregnancy. Due to its potential blood sugar lowering effects, those on diabetes medication should consult their doctor before considering high-dose supplements. The same goes for its possible interaction with anticoagulants. Allergies are rare, but possible. The golden rule? Enjoy cumin liberally in your food. If you're looking at therapeutic supplementation, that's a conversation for you and your healthcare provider. From the tombs of pharaohs to the cutting edge of nutritional science, cumin has earned its legendary status. It's a beautiful bridge between ancient wisdom and modern wellness, and between global cuisine and your kitchen. So, the next time you reach for that jar, remember, you're not just adding flavor, you're adding a pinch of history and a dash of well-being. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of spices, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next exploration. What spice should we profile next? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, cook well and be well.